Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I am rocking LUVME Hair brand new 7x6 HD lace kinky straight wig. As you know, when it comes to me and this purple box, girl, our relationship is just so strong. You know, I rock with LUVME Hair like crazy. I love that they included the overnight rollers. These rollers are so nice. I love the texture of them. This is the wig right out of the pack, and when I say this hair is gorgeous, it is gorgeous. Even though it is a kinky texture, it's extremely silky at the same time. I can't explain. The hair is so soft. I love how much parting space that you actually get inside of this unit. It goes 7 inches wide, 6 inches back. I absolutely love how this wig was constructed. The quality of the hair is absolutely amazing. This is probably one of the best kinky texture wigs I've had in a very, very long time. So if you're a fan of kinky texture hair, I would highly recommend this unit because it is just so soft, so easy to manage, and it's such a beautiful way for it to mimic our real hair. I kept it simple with this look and just straightened it flat, but I noticed when I was straightening it was good, girl. Like, I love this hair. I did glue down this unit, so when I do my glueless units, I do go in with just one layer of glue just to lay it down and give it that real seamless hold. You do not have to go in and add a lot of glue with a glueless wig. Most of the time the lace is really thin, so you don't want to like oversaturate it with too much glue. Overall, I'm gonna go through the process. We're gonna play some music, girl, and I will meet you guys at the end of the video.